how to make our shower experience luxurious. Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be fragrant, foamy and a feel-good experience because I'm reviewing not one, not two, but total 7 different body washes or shower gels from the Thinkskin body wash collection. If you are someone who loves switching up your scents as per your mood or the weather, or just want to make your shower feel like a mini spa, then you are in it for a ride. From fruity and fresh to warm and cozy, each shower gel has its own personality, and I will be walking you through the texture, fragrance, lather and how it feels on the skin. These are absolutely budget-friendly gems that will give us a luxurious shower and self-pampering experience at a very affordable price. Whether you're on the hunt for your next signature scent or just love discovering new body care essentials, you will definitely find some inspiration in this lineup. And stick around till the end because I'll be showing you all my go-to shower routine using one of my absolute favorite picks from this body wash collection. You will see exactly how I use it so you can make the most out of your body wash and make your shower feel like a little pampering ritual. So grab your favorite drink, settle in and let us dive into the world of deliciously scented shower gels. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as it gives me a lot of encouragement and support. Also hit the like icon and connect with me on my other social media handles too. Now let's get into it. I got my hands on the Thinkskin body wash collection, which consists of a total of 7 different and amazing flavors. These are all 250 ml travel friendly sized bottles which cost only ₹79 per bottle. These are all dermatologically tested and are paraben free. Whether you're looking for a deep cleanse, hydration or a soothing fragrance, these little compact bottles offer an easy solution for your everyday use. From energizing citrusy bursts to calming floral scents, you can take or carry your favorite body wash anywhere you like while enjoying the benefits of soft and moisturized skin. Thinkskin also offer 1 liter refill pouches for these body washes, which is a more sustainable option as these use 70% less plastic from our body washes. Now this is actually a hand wash refill pouch, but we get exactly similar kind of design, size and packaging for our body wash refill pouches as well. So once I finish with these bottles, I'll definitely be switching to refill pouches. We should all support proud Indian brands that think about our environment and take steps towards reducing their carbon footprint and using more sustainable options. And as consumers, when we buy their product and support them, basically we all are taking steps towards a better and greener planet. Now let us quickly see all the shower gels and their flavors. We will start with the Total Moisture Body Wash, which is white in color. It contains sweet almond extract that moisturizes and conditions our skin. This is the best body wash for people with dry skin, as this is a moisturizing body wash. It will not strip away the natural moisture from your skin. It will be good for combination skin types too. Now for the scent. Wow, it has such a subtle, clean and refreshing kind of fragrance. Now let us see the next one. Next, let us see the Wild Rose Body Wash, which is pink in color. Let's see the scent. Wow, it has such a sweet and floral scent. Beautiful, I love it. The rich and lightweight consistency makes it good for normal and sensitive skin, as rose has skin soothing properties as well. Next, let us see the Aqua Splash Body Wash, which is in this beautiful blue color. Let's check out the scent first. Wow, it has such a refreshing, strong, minty fragrance. This one will definitely help to wake you up if you're having a lazy or a tiring day. It will energize you. The cooling and refreshing experience is apt for combination and oily skin types, and also for those extra tiring days when we all need a little pick-me-up energy. Next, let us see the Lemon Fresh Body Wash, which is in yellow color. Let us check out the scent. It has a very strong, fresh, citrusy and refreshing fragrance screaming lemons, which I absolutely love. It's actually very nice. The fruity, citrusy fragrance is killing it. Lemons do deep cleansing and help control oil production. Hence, it is best for oily and acne-prone skin types. Next, let us see the Neem Protect Body Wash, which is in this mesmerizing bright green color, which I absolutely love. It helps detoxifying and purifying our skin. It has the power of neem extract, which are very, very beneficial for our skin health. Now let us see the scent. As expected, absolutely herbal and earthy fragrance. Also, it is suitable for all skin types. Now let us see the next one. Next, let us see Sandal Clear Body Wash, which is golden in color. Sandalwood has been treasured for centuries in Ayurvedic and natural beauty practices, as it has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and skin-soothing properties. Just look at this beautiful color and the lightweight consistency of the product. Now let's see the scent. Wow, it has such a warm, calming and earthy fragrance. I think as of now, probably this is my favorite one. My favorite flavor, the sandalwood one. Next, let us see Glycerin Glow Body Wash, which is orangish in color. With the power and goodness of glycerin, it locks in moisture and leaves our skin feeling soft, smooth and radiant. Now for the scent. It actually does not have any strong or overpowering fragrance. It has a very light, subtle and refreshing scent. It is also good for all skin types and for those who need a little skin radiance boost. After going through all the flavors, I am the most excited about using this sandalwood body wash. So let us get into the shower routine. There is something deeply grounding about the scent of sandalwood. Earthy, warm and slightly sweet, is the kind of fragrance that instantly calms your senses and makes an everyday shower feel like a moment of self-care. I always start my shower routine by rinsing my body with warm water to open up the pores. This helps soften the skin and prepares it to absorb the ingredients better. It will also make the sandalwood scent linger a little longer on the skin. Next, I am taking a generous amount of the sandalwood body wash. Its texture is silky and smooth with a subtle golden shade. You can use it directly on your hands, but I prefer applying it with a soft loofah to get that creamy lather. As I work it across my skin in circular motions, the foam builds into a rich velvety layer, releasing the warm woody notes of sandalwood. It's instantly soothing, like aromatherapy in real time. Sandalwood isn't just about the scent, it's packed with benefits. It gently cleanses the skin without stripping away natural oils, and its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help calm irritation, reduce redness, and keep the skin clear. I pay extra attention to the areas like back, elbows and shoulders, places we sometimes rush over, and I let the body wash sit for a few seconds on the skin before rinsing, giving it time to really do its job. Then I rinse it off. I finish my shower with cold water to close the cleaned pores back and skin tightening effects. This routine doesn't just clean your body, it resets your mind. It's a few quiet minutes to breathe, slow down and reconnect with yourself. So, this is it for my general daily shower routine and Thinkskin body wash collection review. I hope that you enjoyed my shower routine. Then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with other skincare enthusiasts. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and my content. I'll leave the product link and the brand website link in the description below. So please go check it out and enhance your shower experience. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next on my channel. And also let me know in the comments below which flavor is your favorite. What is your vibe? Alright then, see you all in my next video. Bye bye gorgeous people.